Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So right now I have opened our vlog without Brian or Janelle because I don't know if you guys will probably see my skincare routine video before or after this video, but Janelle has been sick for a couple days, and so he stayed with his grandma right now and he's spending time with her, and he's sick, so we didn't want to bring him to this job that me and Brian are helping out with. So I'm just gonna do a vlog of what we do today, and yeah, that's it. So if you want to follow us around then just keep watching. So we're heading to Lowe's right now because we need a couple of stuff for the job. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're here. I'm about to go get what we need. Alright. What do we need? I don't know most of any of this stuff. Except for oh, there it is. Okay. Alright guys, so we just finished with Lowe's and now we're gonna head to the job site, and I'm gonna show you guys around what we're doing. And I'm showing you what Brian's doing as well. Like I said, Janelle's not with us, so you guys will probably see him later on this afternoon. But otherwise, let's go to the house. Hey, babe. Oh, that's too strong. Tres. Alright guys, so this is what we're doing. We're gonna basically do epoxy. So we have to make sure that everything is covered before we start the work. Oh, these chemicals are so strong. Same thing with this. It's 3 bathrooms, I believe, what we're doing. So gotta make sure that everything is covered and safe. I think Brian's coming. I think. Yeah. Hey, babe. You okay? Mm-hmm. The thing's too strong?
Yeah, we're going outside.
Alright guys, so we'll just show you what we do as we go, okay?